Good morning, dear students. Today we will continue the chapter 8 more on MS PowerPoint, and today we are going to learn about adding text box. The text box tool on the insert toolbar offer an option to add more text to your slide. Okay, so we will discuss the steps. So click on home tab, you can see on the picture. Then create a new slide and select title slide. Then step 2 is enter the title as needed. See. Then step 3, click on the text box. You can see it is circled in the insert toolbar. Now click on the slide where you want the text box to be placed. As you can see, it is shown by the arrow. It is called text box. Okay. So you have to follow the steps. Now we will learn about editing of text. So for this you have to follow some steps. Step 1 is open the slide in which you want to change the text. First of all, you have to open that slide. Step 2, click on the text where you want to edit. A placeholder gets displayed. Step 3, place the cursor at the point where you want to edit the text. Step 4, make the changes as required. So it means you can change the text in different manners. Step 5, after complete editing, click on the save option on the file toolbar. Okay, so how can you edit the text? You can edit in different manner, like you can copy the text, move text, deleting text, and applying alignment. So I will tell you one by one. So for copy, you know that you have to, the text can be copied anywhere, okay, on a slide from one file to another or between slides. The copy and paste option duplicates the selected text. So what is the use of copy command? Okay, and you know that the shortcut key of copy is Ctrl+C. Now let's move to the steps. You can see here, select the text. Before this you have to select the text you require to copy. जिसको आपको copy करना है, first of all you have to select that. Click on the copy option. From the home tab, a copy of selected text is placed on the clipboard. You can follow these steps, or simply you can select the text and press the shortcut key, that is Ctrl+C. Now moving text. How can you move? The text can be moved from one place to another if needed. It can be moved on the same slide as well as between different slides. For moving, you can follow some steps. Select the text to be moved. Click cut option from home tab. The text disappears from its place and is placed on clipboard. Step 2 is place the cursor at the position where you want the text to be moved. Okay, here you can see some shortcut keys are given. For copy, Ctrl+C. For cut, Ctrl+X. For paste, Ctrl+V. Okay, now deleting text. So step 1 is click on the text you want to delete. The selected text gets highlighted with a border. Step 2, click the delete key or backspace key from your keyboard. The text gets deleted. We will learn about applying alignment. So what is alignment? Alignment is the placement of text on a slide. Okay. There are 4 types of alignment. You can see the picture. This is called left alignment. This is center alignment. This is right alignment, and this is called justify. What is left alignment? It aligns the text towards the left. First of all, you have to select the text, then click on left alignment, so your text will be moved to the left side. Alignment center or center alignment. The text is aligned between the left and right margin. You know that in on our slide we have 2 margins, so your text will be aligned in the between of the left and right margins. Then align right. Text is aligned towards the right margin. When you will click on right alignment, so your text will move to the right side of margin. And next is justify. The text is aligned evenly between left and right margin. Your text will be moved towards the evenly between to the left and right margin. So for this you can follow some shortcut keys. Here you can see for left you have to press Ctrl plus L, for center Ctrl plus E, for right Ctrl plus R, and for justify Ctrl plus J.